Time now for your forewarned weather with Thomas Keyboy.
Good Monday morning, Utah. The time is currently 6:11. We'll open up with the forewarned radar. We're out there this morning. There are a few passing showers, but things not too busy at this particular time. The chance for wet weather, though, will only be increasing as we go from this morning into the afternoon. But as we start things off again, we do have a few spotty showers along the I-15 corridor, more or less between Nephi down towards Richfield. Then we also have a few showers just to the east of Cedar City in portions of Garfield and then down towards Kane County as well. We're keeping a very close eye on what is left of Hillary. It is now a post-tropical system, which means it has lost its tropical characteristics. Still a low pressure and still dragging in plenty of moisture, so you can still see plenty of flood alerts in place, even in portions of the Beehive State. That's a flood watch. We'll get you caught up on that information in just one moment. Hillary, though, will continue to move to the north and will continue to gradually fizzle away. Even after Hillary is gone, though, we'll still be looking at a decent amount of moisture coming in from the south because there's still an upper-level low pressure off the California coastline. Meanwhile, there's a high pressure over the central portion of the United States, and more moisture continues to funnel in, a mixture of tropical moisture and a mixture of that monsoonal moisture as well. That flood watch I was speaking of, that extends all the way from Nephi down through portions of southwestern and south central Utah today. That means flooding is a possibility, especially for slot canyons, dry washes, burn scars, and low-lying areas and urban areas. Today, if you're within this flood watch, definitely keep tabs on the weather, but we'll just want to keep tabs for the weather across the Beehive State as we have also multiple alerts in effect on top of that flood watch, along with some high wind warnings that will be in place from this morning through 9 o'clock this evening for most spots along and west of the I-15 corridor. We don't have those alerts in place on the Wasatch Front, but it is still going to be a windy day, however, within this high wind warning, and stretches from the Utah-Idaho state line all the way down to portions of Iron County. Today could bring southerly winds anywhere between 25 and 40 miles per hour with gusts upwards of 70 miles per hour. It's going to be a windy day across the Beehive State, especially along and west of I-15. Then when we look at the chance for showers and thunderstorms increasing, we'll have that chance for thunderstorms across the entire state. I really think that best chance, though, will be from central into western Utah and along and just east of the I-15 corridor. There's also a marginal risk of severe storms today. That's a level 1 out of 5. It means that there's a small possibility for severe storms, but it is still a possibility. If we are to see severe storms today, the main concern would be strong winds, but we also could be looking at thunderstorms that could produce also very heavy and torrential rain. Let's go ahead and begin the Futurecast. 8 o'clock this morning, and we'll time things out for you. The Futurecast expecting things to stay relatively calm over the next couple of hours. Notice, though, what happens as we go from mid-morning into late morning. This is 11 o'clock. Showers and thunderstorms really beginning to bubble up, especially along and east of the I-15 corridor, and even by 11 o'clock this morning, could start to see a few showers and thunderstorms developing along the Wasatch Front. Showers and thunderstorms will likely develop first in the high terrain, and then we'll move into those adjacent valleys. Scattered showers and thunderstorms expected throughout the afternoon, and we're really not going to see much changes as we go into the evening. And even by this evening, where the chance for wet weather is lower in eastern Utah, we could see a few of those showers and thunderstorms sneaking into the eastern portion of the state by this evening. Normally, I've been telling you recently, when the chance for, as we get into the evening with the loss of the daytime heating, the chance for showers and thunderstorms goes down. That won't be the case into tonight, as plenty of moisture remains in place, and we'll be looking at a very good chance for showers and thunderstorms continuing through our Tuesday. Now, here's the current look outside down in Cedar City. You can actually see some rain off in the distance, even though a little bit of sunlight's trying to peek through as we're approaching sunrise at this point. Meanwhile, up at Snow Basin, just some high cloud coverage, looking absolutely beautiful. Our temperatures as you head out the door this morning, mainly in the 60s and 70s, and you also might notice some humidity as well. It feels a little bit humid, especially when it comes to the Beehive State out there this morning. Today's forecast will see those daytime highs mainly in the 70s and 80s for most across the state, especially in central and western Utah. 89 for Salt Lake City, 85 for St. George. Outside of any wet weather today, you can expect either partly to mostly cloudy skies for most across the state, while in eastern Utah, we'll see mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies outside of any wet weather. And because of that, temperatures will be a little bit closer to our seasonal averages. 93 for Vernal, 101 for Moab, and 88 for Blanding. In St. George, we're going to hold on to a very good chance for showers and thunderstorms more or less through our Thursday before that moisture begins to dwindle heading into the end of the work week into this upcoming weekend. By Sunday, partly cloudy skies, highs returning to the upper 90s. Along the Wasatch Front, good chance for showers and thunderstorms for today and for tomorrow. Isolated on the Wednesday, then we could see another influx of moisture going into our Thursday and Friday, bringing us more scattered showers and thunderstorms before that moisture looks like it will finally begin to dwindle a little bit heading into this weekend as daytime highs return to seasonal averages, low 90s by Sunday.